I'm Nicole Johnson, Director of Environmental Policy for the Conservancy of Southwest Florida, and we are here on site for a really exciting project that is a coordination between our science and policy departments. As one of our key core missions at the Conservancy to protect listed species and their habitat, every once in a while we get a rare opportunity to actually do restoration work, and this project is restoration habitat creation in process.
My name is Monica Folk. I am a wildlife ecologist and I'm a private consultant, and I'm helping to recover the red-cockaded woodpecker in Collier County. We have several populations and we're working to augment them wherever we can, because the more birds, the more likely they are to live in perpetuity.
The red-cockaded woodpecker is listed as an endangered species. The RCWs are really a neat, unique type of bird. Unlike other woodpecker varieties that actually nest in dead trees, the RCW nest in living pine trees. That means that they need pine trees that are very old, that are large, and that have wood soft enough for them to be able to excavate their cavities. It takes them up to 2 years to actually excavate a cavity of their own, so we're helping them along. We're giving them a starter home, which they can utilize until they're able to build their own nest cavity.
So we're creating these artificial cavities or roost sites for the birds, and they mimic what the birds would excavate themselves into a living pine tree. And what's important about their ecology is that they need to create resin wells or little holes in the tree that create a sap layer that runs down the face of the tree right at the cavity to protect it from climbing snakes. So the importance of this for the conservation of the species is that our populations have become so critically low, and we have removed so much of the important habitat for this species, which is old growth pine lands, which is of course where most of our development has happened, that those populations are not likely to sustain themselves in the future unless we can build them up as much as possible. So in places like this where we have an easement with an existing old growth pine stand, if we can even have one family group living here, it's going to add to the population and increase the likelihood that the species can persist in the county. And that's our ultimate goal.